Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add filters to your videos on the CapCut browser. So I have already selected my clips and put it in the project. Then I'm going to go to filters, and I'm just going to go to the part, so click the part where you want to add the filter. For instance, I want to add this filter. I'm just going to put it on there, and then I can drag it here and also adjust the duration, for instance, until this part. And then, for instance, I want to add another filter, for instance this one. I'm just going to add it, and then again just adjust it as you go. You can also adjust the intensity here, so you don't want it too much, like the filter, I guess. And then let's try this one, like so. Or I actually want to try this one, maybe the lime one. You can just add that and also adjust the intensity here. And that is basically it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!